For this video, I'll discuss on how to factor difference of two squares. So if we're going to have the product of sum and difference of two terms, the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x minus y, this will be equal to x squared minus y squared. Now the answer here, this is the difference of two squares. Now if we're going to factor difference of two squares, the result will be just this one, the product of sum and difference of two terms. Therefore, if we're going to factor difference of two squares, that will be just the product of sum and difference of the square root of the first term and the second term. So if square root of x squared is x in here, then square root of y squared is y. And we'll just have their sum for the first factor, and for the second factor we'll just have their difference. So for example, if we're going to have here number 1, x squared minus 1, this is difference of two squares. If we're going to factor this one, we'll just take their products, then square root of x squared is x, so this will be the first term of the factors. Then square root of 1 is 1. So 1 here and 1 here. Then we'll just have their sum and their difference. So x squared minus 1, its factor form is quantity of x plus 1 times quantity of x minus 1. Then for number 2, for a squared minus 9, so if we're going to factor this one, this is a difference of two squares. We're going to have first two open and close parentheses. Then square root of 4a squared is 2a. This will be the first term. Then square root of 9 is 3. And we'll just have the sum and difference. So 4a squared minus 9 is equal to quantity of 2a plus 3 times the quantity of 2a minus 3. And number 3, y squared minus 36. Again, we're going to have two open and close parentheses. Then square root of y squared is y. This will be the first terms of the factors. Then square root of 36 is 6. Then we'll just have their sum and difference. And for number 4, x squared minus 4y squared. So square root of x squared is x. Then square root of 4y squared is 2y. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of y squared is y. Then plus, and here this is minus. Then number 5, 9b squared minus 25c squared. If we're going to factor this one, we're going to have first the square root of 9, which is 3. Square root of b squared is b. So square root of 9b squared is 3b. Then square root of 25c squared, this is 5c. 5c. They will just have their sum and difference. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.